What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day you've all been waiting for. We're finally wrapping the Mustang. Well, kind of, sort of. So here's the deal. Misa is only here for about another week, and he's obviously wrapping the Viper. So there's two things to this. This is actually going to get wrapped when he comes back to Texas. He has to go back to California to wrap a few cars, and he's going to come back to Texas, wrap the Mustang, wrap a few other cars. So the Mustang's actually not getting completely wrapped until probably sometime in November, but we're actually wrapping the roof today black. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and actually this is part of our 2-year anniversary gift from none other than Miss Kennedy Kinder. So shout out Kennedy for this. So she actually got me something else, but we're gonna make another video on that. This is the first thing that Kennedy's actually bought me for any vehicle that I've owned in this 2 years. So Kennedy and I have our 2-year anniversary coming up in November, and part of her gift to me was to wrap my roof. And I haven't picked out anything for her yet, and this was supposed to be a surprise, but that surprise lasted about 5 minutes. She's like, I have to tell you something, but I don't want to tell you. I was like, well, just tell me. She's like, okay, I'm getting your roof wrapped for our 2-year anniversary. I was like, wow, way to really hold on to that surprise. We're only about a month away. But anyways, so we're gonna wrap the roof on the Mustang. I want to do it gloss black. Even if I was gonna keep the color of the Mustang, the orange Fury, I'd still want the roof wrapped gloss black. So Misa is clay barn cleaning it. I need to clean the Mustang. It's got stuff all over it. So how long is it gonna take you? 10 minutes?
Man,
We'll give you 10 minutes.
this is so easy.
From after, I'll let you clean it, dry it, get everything set up, and then we'll put a timer and you get 10 minutes. Fair?
Alright.
10 minutes to...
Give me 13 minutes.
Okay, 13 minutes from start to finish. So you have to cut it, and it's got to be everything pushed out. No bubbles, no dirt, no adhesive lines.
There's gonna be dirt, adhesive lines, bubbles.
So we're doing this in the front garage because he is currently messing with the Viper in the back, and there's not much room back there. So we're gonna knock this out. But this roof should be pretty easy. There's no antenna up top. I did not delete that. They just don't come with antennas up top anymore. People are gonna be like, oh, race car. No, street car. So he's clay barring it, get all the dirt, grime, everything off, and it shouldn't take you very long at all, actually. There's like these little grooves, shouldn't be bad. It's not a big, very big roof either.
Alright. Shit, while you guys go fucking get some food or something, I don't know.
Well, now that we know you could wrap it in 13 minutes, well, we don't know for sure, we're about to find out, but now that you think you could wrap it in 13 minutes, you could have surprised me and I could have gone and got food. But this is way more fun. Timer is ready. So he gets to cut the vinyl, not to the shape, but he gets to cut a piece off, lay it up here, but he can't peel the vinyl back until the timer starts. Timer will start, then he can start peeling the vinyl back. All right, guys, he's ready. He's got it anchored down. Got the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not helping you either.
How do I need your help?
You on your own? Okay, I could have wrapped it already.
Okay.
Misa, we are 13 seconds in. You are way behind time right now. I really want to like mess with you, but it's my car, so I don't want it to get messed up.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. tryna make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record.
In the nick of time, Misa has made it. 13 minutes, so you definitely couldn't have done it in 10 minutes. We just gotta wipe it down with some quick detail.
I got quick detail.
I got quick detail. Look at that though. Man, that looks good. This thing's just gonna beep all day. Damn, look at that ass, Ma. Misa, your time is up, dude. I really like the black roof. I don't know. I'm really a fan of everything painted to match. I'm not like huge on accent stuff, but I always think the black roof looks really good. I'm not like a fan of doing like the hood, roof, and trunk, but I think just the black roof by itself sets it off really good. I still think the orange mirrors look good. I think they would look good black too, but I don't know. I really like the orange, man. So, huge shout out to Kennedy for trying to surprise me with the roof wrap. Huge shout out to Misa at Illustrious Auto Styling, who will be back here in what? Do you know exactly what days you'll be back or not yet?
I don't know exactly what days, but I'm planning on like November 10th through the 15th.
So sometime middle of November, Misa will be back, and we will completely wrap the Mustang. Then, like I said, he's gonna do a few more odds and ends on the car before he leaves. But he's trying to finish up the Viper before he goes back. He's got some big projects to do in California. But, man, that looks freaking good. I really like the black roof. I don't know. What do you like black mirrors still? I still like the orange mirrors. It could go either way, I guess.
I'm not taking them off.
Comment down below if you guys think we should accent with some black mirrors. I like the handles to match just because it flows with the body. But the mirrors are separate, so they could really go either way. What do people usually do?
People do the roof mirrors and the handles.
Really? I like the handles matching. So he's gonna do a few other things. Like I said, this was part of our 2-year anniversary. Kennedy and I, that was part of her gift to me. Dave's messed up and I still haven't bought her gift. It's not until November, so I got plenty of time. We'll wait till probably the last minute. But huge shout out to Kennedy. Thank you so much for doing that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know what you think we should accent else with the gloss black. And we are gonna wrap the entire car in November when Misa comes back. I haven't released that color yet. Misa, tell them the color.
Nardo green.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you follow Misa at Misa Patos at Illustrious Auto Styling. If you're in California, he will be back soon. If you're in Texas, hit us up if you want something done when he gets back, because he will be back. Follow me at Bambi39 for all your up-to-date info on the Tang Stang. See you guys on the next one.